Ka Sorkar jela kalamang palat RPR klur tingka ban pelut nakabenta ban penya yak election syaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC but Giant Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kabanlong haka RPW trik rumpang. Haba pentip yakani haka South trik rumpang u Commissioner and Secretary Katanat District Council Affairs DCA uba Cyril Dingdo ulaong kapisa balamang ban pelut nakabenta baro ki artli ki ADC kalong RPR klur tingka. Uloong baka jing pelut kaya pher nakaway ke district siya kaway pan da kababanrap baki Deputy Commissioner kila penbiang ya jing ken jing dia ha kabaya kapisa la pelat syaki katkum ka jing don kam ka jongki. Da kabapen pa baka tenat keladap ban penbiang ya baro ki jing don kam nakabenta kana ke election ADC uba Cyril uloong ba Chief Secretary uba DP Waklang Ru ula depan lum ya kajingalang bishar kam hakalai trik rumpang bat baro ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki Sub Divisional Officer. Baro ki lapan paw ya kajing ngos kam ba kilalong ki balapan kre nadong syadong nakabenta kani ke election ula benram. Halor kajing penbiang ya ki bor pahara u Commissioner and Secretary ula pentip ba ansawan ra syusyu ya ki bor pulit na Western Range Garo Hills kenang ban penklan ya ki bor pahara nakabenta kani ke election hari lum Khasi bat Giant ya. Kani kajupan kre kalaya chakman bat ki DC kalaya trailang bat ki SP jung ki district. Ngin sayo ikajing tip ba company na ki pulit bahadu katno ki bor pulit kilawan ra na ka Western Range ulaong. Ha kabaya day ba kajing don ki polling station ki badan jingma bat bala ban mi ki jing klumar uba Cyril ulaong ba ki DC ki dang bateng bandum jing tip bat bishar benia halor kani. Watla katta ulaong ba ka Sorkar jela kamsham la yoi ne khmi lenti bakandan kanu kanu jing penthut ne jing klumar ha kan ke election ADC ulaong ru bahadu menta katanat kampat sham la yo pediang satya ya kanu kanu jing ujor ha kabaya de bakajing penkhen ya ka Model Code of Conduct MCC.
Estimated amount for both the district councils is about 22 crores. The breakup I don't have. It depends on the number of the criteria obviously. It depends on the number of constituencies, how big the district is, etc. How many constituencies are there? It differs from district to district. There are different heads under which the expenditure is made, from honorarium being paid to other things. So it differs from district to district. Certain things are uniform, like honorarium paid to polling parties and other things. And obviously, depends on the number of polling stations and the number of constituencies and the requirement of the district in particular. So each DC makes an assessment, and accordingly we release the funds. We're fully prepared. In fact, a review meeting was held last Friday itself, on Monday, by the respective Chief Secretary with all the DCs and the sub-divisional officers concerned on various preparations. As you know, the DC is just the overall supervising department. The election is conducted by the Deputy Commissioners and the ROs in the districts and subdivisions. So all have expressed confidence that they're fully geared up and prepared to conduct the elections. Yeah, so everything is in the Model Code of Conduct. If there are any, instances, the police and the DCs have, the mechanism to check, and if required, they will do the seizures as per, to ensure free and fair conduct of elections. Details are with the DCs and the ROs concerned, because this is a dynamic thing, right? In terms of inputs received or apprehension of any breach of Model Code of Conduct. So these inputs will be with the Deputy Commissioners and the SPs concerned, if at all, and they will take the necessary steps to ensure compliance of the Model Code of Conduct. Police, the DCs are closely working with the SPs of the districts concerned, and the police have briefed that they will be taking additional manpower from the Western Range, that is from the Garo Hills region, to bolster the forces that are required for the polling in the Eastern Range, in the Khasi and Giant Hills districts. So that is that preparation is on. So the DCs do a continuous assessment of if there are any inputs based on vulnerability of critical booths. That information the DCs share with the police, and there's a strict protocol that is maintained how they do this assessment, and based on that they take action as to bolster the force or do other such arrangements so that there is no problem in the election. And obviously the DCs take into consideration all the important stakeholders, including the political parties, the local headman, and others are taken into confidence so that All the stakeholders are aware, and everyone cooperates to ensure a free and fair election. No, not to my notice. If they are filed directly first with the RO as per our model code of conduct. The complaint has to be addressed by the RO concerned. If at all the RO or the deputy commissioner is not able to take a decision, then it may be referred to the district council affairs department. But these are handled at the level of RO. Foresee, and we expect all stakeholders to cooperate and coordinate so that there's free and fair elections and peaceful elections, importantly, as has been the tradition in the state of Meghalaya. We are always used to having peaceful elections with the cooperation of all political parties, all candidates, the district administration, the police, the headman, all the stakeholders. So I'm sure that even this time we are moving towards that direction to have a peaceful election. I am not aware of. I am sure if at all, it would have been brought to the notice of the DC or the RO concerned. Like I said, they are the first point of contact in terms of resolving these issues or these disputes that arise or violations of MCC. If at all they are not able to solve it at their level, they refer to the DCA department. But as of now, it has not come to my notice. I think in terms of meetings is guided by this model code of conduct for the guidance of political parties and candidates during the elections to the district council, issued in 2025. There's this book that has been circulated to all the political parties, and for any public meeting, permission of the deputy commissioner or the SDO civil is required for any meeting, procession, rally, etc. So I'm sure that all are conforming to this instruction.